So guys, yung pinsan ko nakulit yung buhok. Talaga, kamusta niya si Moana. Oh my God. Look at this. Hi, Be. Look at the camera. You see that? You see that? Yung kulot.
Sinisipon ako.
What are you gonna say to the viewers or followers?
Hello? Can you guys subscribe at my channel?
It's my channel, not your channel. Can you subscribe to my channel, guys? Can we get 100
May ginagamit pa ni tita yung charger ni Nilo.
subscribers?
May charger ni Nilo.
Wait, can we get 100 subscribers? Because we need to get 100 subscribers. We need some subscribers. So yeah, I do need many subscribers today. Can you give us me 100 subscribers, please? Cherry on top. Oh. So guys, bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
And we will see you tomorrow, right, Be?
Yeah.
Pero, gabi na kami magbe-video kasi uuwi na kasi kami gabi.
Yeah. Maghapon kasi kami.
Nga. Dati gabi kami pumapasok. Tapos hindi na. Yeah. Bye. Babay ka na sa viewers. Meow, meow. 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 Ako yung. Be, hindi naman ginagamit yung charger. Yeah, that's the charger. Umiilaw. And this is my pet cat. I have 2 pet cat. Yulito. Bakit kasi ikaw inaway ni Blue? This is Coco. And the other one is Blue. Yeah, Blue. I don't know why it's named Blue. Yung dalawang pusa yamin adopted. And why? So, yeah. Bye! My dad is going to work now.